see triples and shit.
Matt, what does he have in his mouth?
I don't know. Get off. No. Ah! Do you think you're going to get it back? Oh, crack. I got to give it to your mom.
Open your mouth.
Diego, come here.
Go to Maddie. No, go to Matt.
Hey. Come here. Ah. Why you gotta make fun of me whenever I'm what? Damn it. There. There.
This is what happened when Matthew drinks.
Hey, zipper, scissor.
This was clean.
Scissor. Scissor. Sipping up some scissor. You got. I do shots. I can't see. I seriously can't see. Fuck you, I can't see. Oh. Diego. I need something to drink. My pants are falling down. Ow.
Go get him, Diego.
Please don't have this over there.
Get Maddie. Get Maddie. Go get him. Get him. Maddie has something else in his mouth. Get it.
Hey, Maddie. Maddie McGaddy.
Here. No, you don't get it on the pool table.
Ouch. Why is there got to be a pool there?
Here.
Fat
Matt?
ass.
Here.
Macy, don't videotape me. Help me the fuck up here. This is some bullshit. Why you gotta leave me like that?
He's alright. Get out of there. Matt, get up. Is this your motorcycle? The Yamaha? Huh?
The 1000?
Yeah.
Yep. What about that cheap goes? What's the butt cheek out here? Oh, it feels like I fucking hit the fucking part of my butt cheek. My dad's an asshole, for real. Don't make me fix my shit.
That's a nice looking bike, Matt.
You help me out?
Come on.
I'm there, dude.
Don't fall into the bikes. No, Diego, no.
You can have.
No, don't give that to him.
Okay.
Jeez. Come on. In your bedroom, pull the lamp up. Come on.
Why did it? Who's that? Lil Wayne. I said that. Mark you. please stop recording me? Just get me the fuck out of this shit.
Yeah, where's the light? I can't see you good enough.
My balls hurt like something. Like something. Oh, my balls.
Go in your room. Sit down on the bed.
My balls, seriously.
Go. Go.
Wait, I'm grooming.
Come on, go. Pick up your lamp. Matt! There's what's left of the lamp.